What happens if I amend my tax return for past years? Imagine finding out you missed a big deduction or reported your income incorrectly on a tax return from a few years ago. What do you do next? When you amend a tax return for past years, you are making corrections or updates to a return you already filed. This involves submitting a special called Form 1045 for federal returns. You might need to amend if you forgot to include income, misreported your filing status, or claimed deductions or credits you weren't eligible for. Filing an amended return can help you avoid penalties or interest that might build up if the tax authority finds errors during an audit. Usually, you should file the amendment within 3 years from the date you originally filed or within 2 years from when you paid the tax, whichever is later. If you owe more tax after the correction, you will need to pay the additional amount along with any interest and penalties. It's important to be precise when amending. Common mistakes include guessing income figures, forgetting to amend your state tax return if applicable, or claiming deductions you are not qualified for. Working with a tax professional can help you avoid these errors. If an audit is already underway, do not file an amended return. Instead, disclose the mistake directly to the auditor. From a legal standpoint, timely and accurate amendments show you are trying to comply with tax laws. However, if the amendment uncovers intentional fraud or significant underreporting, penalties could still apply. Filing a corrected return before the tax authority starts enforcement actions might reduce some penalties, but it does not protect you from penalties related to fraud. In the end, amending past tax returns is a normal part of tax compliance. It helps correct mistakes and keeps you on the right side of the law. Making these corrections promptly and accurately can save you from future legal or financial trouble. Consulting a tax expert can guide you through the process and help you avoid common pitfalls.